Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So we're just now leaving the car wash. I didn't give it a good wash, like I gave it a decent wash, only because it's supposed to rain tonight, and the only reason I even washed it was it snowed last week and I just didn't want all that shit on my car. So right now I'm just gonna hop on the highway, try to air dry it, and yeah, we'll go from there. What the fuck are we doing? All right, the mission is to air dry. There do be cops around here, so remember, guys, to stay hydrated. Why is it only 2 lanes? Like 2, what the fuck was that? But yeah, 2-lane highways should not be a thing. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep using my blinkers. There's the crash. I don't know why this side is slowing down. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. It helps the channel grow tremendously. If you like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.